Yes people, I'm back with another video, and in today's video, as you could tell, I'm recording for one reason. First things first, we're going to do the best in video control panel settings, but before that, we're going to have to update our NVIDIA GeForce experience to the latest update. So the latest update is 497.09 for me. By the time you might be watching this video, it might have changed. Okay, but the next step is to shut this. Then you're gonna write check for updates and then the settings. Now you check your updates if there's an update or not, and if there isn't, then you're good to go. But I'm checking mine right now. Let's find out. Okay, so there's an update. We'll let it update, and then if yours requires a restart, then restart it, obviously. Oh yeah, loads of people say that stuff like, game mode isn't good for your PC, or you should turn it off, but I use it on. Okay, I'm on Windows 11, it helps. I don't know about Windows 10. Okay, yeah, as you can see, I'm up to date. The update's been done. Next step is to open NVIDIA control panel. Once you've opened NVIDIA control panel, okay, NVIDIA control panel is on. First things first, you want to say to use the advanced 3D image settings, and then manage 3D settings. Put image scaling on 50% on GPU and GPU scaling and sharpening, and put it on 50%. Or if you're gonna it doesn't work on 1080p anyway, so yeah, you have to go below like 1080p. So yeah, okay, so that's the first thing. You turn ambient occlusion off. Oh yeah, whatever that says. And then the next step is to turn off anti-stropic filtering, and then anti-aliasing FXAA, and then gamma correction, and then anti-aliasing mode, and then background application max frame rate, turn that off. CUDA GPUs, say on your GPU that you're using. One thing I haven't done yet. It is on my GPU. Okay, never mind. DSR factors, you turn that off. Low latency mode, try this on your PC because it's not the same for every PC. Max frame rate, turn it off, and turn multi-frame sample MFAA off. And then open GL rendering GPU, obviously put this on your graphics card. For power management mode, put it on prefer maximum performance. For shader catch size, put it on driver default. For texture filtering, anti-stropic sample option, turn that on. For texture filtering and negative LOD bias, turn that allow. And for texture filtering quality, obviously high performance. And then for texture filtering, trilinear optimization on. Threaded optimization, put down auto. Triple buffering off, obviously. Vertical sync, you'll have to try it on your PC. Virtual reality pre-rendered frames 1, and then apply. And then when you restart your PC, all of these settings should work. I don't need to because I've already done all of these settings before. But so let's go on to change resolution. Okay, so as you can see, once you have that new NVIDIA image scaling on, you should have these scaling resolutions. You can use any of these, or when you're in game you can change it from in game. For me, my monitor is 60 Hz. Also make sure this is up to the max. And use any of these scaling resolutions from here, or you can just change your in-game one so that your entire screen doesn't look all messed up and stuff. Okay, for the next setting, what you're gonna do is write performance. Wait, wrong thing. You write system. Control panel. Yep, that's it. Then you're going to I think it is network and internet. Oh wait, wrong thing. Supposed to write battery first. Okay, maybe not. I think it's energy. Yeah, look, and now and it pops up with it. Then you go onto this, you go onto power options, put it on high performance, or for me I'm using Kick CPU scheme because yeah, it says balances performance, but for me mine's at max. I'll show this in another video. You know, you guys need to use high performance or ultimate performance. I have 3 of them for some reason, I have no clue why. And also go on to change plan setting and go on to change advanced power settings. Then when you're on here, so you go on to USB settings, you go on to USB 3 link, you turn this off, and then you disable this so that it doesn't that's just to get lower input delay. So one of the main settings is one of these, look, moderate power savings. Turn this off if you're using a PC. For a laptop I don't know if you would turn that off. But now you go onto here and you turn these on to 99%, which as you can see I haven't. Maximum should be on 99, minimum should be on 99 too. I have no clue why mine's on 100. Okay, there you go. Now, once you've done that, there's one more setting I wanted to show you guys. I know, right there. Have to go and find out how to on it. Okay, so I figured out what to do. So I didn't know how to do it because I'm on Windows 11. I go into network and internet settings. I go onto advanced network. Then I go into more network adapter set options. Now this will open up. I'm using Ethernet cable. On my PC don't have no built-in stuff. So you go into internet protocol version and you use this server, or find out the best server for you. And wherever you live it depends on. There's 1.1.1.1 and then I don't remember the 1.0.0.1. And the top one is 1.1.1.1 and this one is 1.0.0.1. And they're my 2 best, so I don't know about you guys, but there's one more settings right there. Oh yeah, so there wasn't just one option left, I'm going to show you a bit more. Okay, so this isn't the last thing actually, but I would have showed you an app how to use this, but yeah. So basically what you're going to want to do is, you're going to go to your settings, you're going to go, display I think it is, graphics, and now you're going to put whatever game you want to have like good stuff in it, whatever game. So I'll use, as an example I would use, let me just do it with whatever. I'll ignore that. That's just my PC thinking I have a virus. Think certain apps I use are viruses, which they ain't, but all of my apps are just for like potentially unwanted app found. It's because it changes security options and stuff to get better performance, so it thinks it's a virus or something. Let's go and so basically once you found the app you want to use, so then you want to click on it, you want to go to options and you get high performance and then you save. And same with every other game you want to play, high performance. There, look, all of the games I want to play are on high performance. Okay, so that's one of the last settings. There should be one more setting that I need to find for you guys. Okay, so the next step that you want to do is obviously go here, right, settings. When you're in settings, go to notifications. I need to do this one myself. So then you just turn notifications off, or you can just turn ones that you don't care about off. I'm just going to turn all of them off because I hate it when notifications pop up on my screen. So that's another thing. And there's also one more thing. So you go into Task Manager, then you go into Services, no, wrong thing, Start Up, and you're going to want to disable anything that like it says high, or for example disable anything that you don't use. Like when you're starting your PC up, like for me I'll use W and optimize, I'll disable it. And I also actually I need reference to GUI. Okay, so that's all I needed to do. Okay, so also go into your performance now. Your CPU should be better. All of this should be better. This you don't have to do, I'm just telling you in case you want to see how good it is. And then after all of these settings, you restart your PC and you should be good to go. That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.